Okay. Okay, hang.
Anthem VR, we're doing a collab, and yeah, we're both brushes, we both like skins like this, but we're gonna be playing this game today. Jump in! Oh, frick. This is what I get for accidentally stopping recording. But yeah, guys, you won't be able to hear him, and he won't be able to hear me in this video. But yeah, this is Anthem VR. We both like brushes, like, I just like the skin, so don't judge, but yeah, we're good friends, and ready? You wanna drop the portal again?
Yeah.
Fine.
Alrighty, here we are.
Okay, come on, go. Yeah! Woo, jump in! Yeah, guys, I'm excited. First video. Sorry if the intro was fast. I was trying to redo it quick because he was still filming too, you know, collabing. But, yeah, we're here in Battle. Don't ignore. Hey, Anthony! Wave hi. Wave hi. I'm waving hi. For your video, okay. I want red team. Wait, but I want to make my discs, I want to make them teal. Don't start it yet.
I'm gonna make mine blue.
Teal and saturation up, brightness all the way up. Okay, start it. I started.
Hang on, let me.
Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, we should have made a double disc. Good luck! Oh, freak, that didn't go for it all! It hit your disc? Oh, freak! Oh, yeah! Okay, guys, go! Oh, no! I got you! I got your toes! Okay, sorry guys, you can't hear him, but I don't know how this works, but yeah. He's screaming, you guys can tell by his mouth. I win! I got 3 points. 3 points on red team, 3 for blue. I was red. Okay. Oh, I like red team, you're bully. Okay, wait, double disc, yeah. Wait, but score. I want the score to be higher. Like, first to 10 points. Come on. I'm gonna beat you. Trust me, dude. You're going down. You go down with 1, you're going down with 2. I'm bouncing off the wall, hit your head. He's screaming right now. Captain America much? Oh. Not even 1 hit you. Oh, I just unplugged my Oculus. Oh no. Oh, frick. I was unarmed and you still messed up. No! That was a long one. How did I miss? You're shooting a lot of that red laser out of your hand, you little brushy brush. Oh my gosh. Oh, no. Spinaroonie! That went nowhere. Gotcha. Double discs. Oh, wait, double discs! I'm trying to make this look cool! Dude, you have to talk for your video or it's gonna be boring! we're making a lot of background noises. It bounced off, dude, don't do that! Bad quality! It hit you in the, what the heck? What the hell are you freaking? Uh-oh, what the freaking fracking just happened? I hit you in the back! You guys can't hear him, but he's like, no. He's like, no way, you freaking, what the freak is happening? No, his exact words, but still. I'm gonna get you. If you guys want to hear his side, go to his YouTube channel. I like how I'm promoting him and destroying at the same time. You guys, you should keep them updated on what I'm saying, you know, too. Uh-oh, that did not...
I'm hitting you!
Oh, frick, you walked into me. Hey, get out of here, you freaking, what's the right word? Salty. Hey, don't call me sussy baka. That's what you get. That's what you get. He's mad at me. He's so mad at me. I'm sorry, Anthony, but you're going down. You guys can tell, but I'm doing some cool stuff with my... Hey, stop. You guys can see his mic moving. Screamed no. I don't know. He's screeching now. Anthony, I'm sorry, bud. Oh, frick. You could have gotten me, you know. I hit your legs, it did nothing.
I can't show you.
You guys can see him grabbing his head and everything. That's what you get for calling me sussy baka. New videos. It's okay. You'll be okay. Let me caress your face. And with blades of glory. Oh, frick.
Well, you
Caress your face with blades of glory. Did I win? What? How did I only win 4 times when you won 10 times? I swear, I killed you more than you. I killed you more than you killed me. What the hell? You won. I'm not. No, I'm the salty one. No, I'm just kidding.
Now say the last words.
Oh, you're going to hell, my friend. I regret saying that. Come on, click blue team.
Why?
You didn't make a private server. Come on, Anthony. Click blue. Click blue team. Come on. Come on, click blue team. Don't make me stab your ankles and poke you in the knees. Person instead, haha. I mean, sorry, sir, but you're going down. You're floating on my screen. What the heck? You ended the round. Come on, let's go. This is what?
I clearly shot you.
No, you clearly did not shoot me. If you guys didn't know, but you guys don't know, but he said I clearly shot you. Shot me where? Nowhere. You see? Yeah, the place you shot me was Nowhereville. I don't know why Ville would be up. Yeah. Haha.
The grand
I'm actually just running into him before he can. Oh, you got it that time. I legit hit you in the toes. Yes, I hit your toes. I hit your toes, my friend. I hit your toes. Your toesy woesies were open. I hit your toesy woesies. Nothing happens. I'm open. I'm open. No, I'm not, P. I'm not open. Yeah. He's screaming. Oh, I kind of feel bad. But not at the same time because I'm at 6. Wait, you have 0 points. You have 0. Wait, Anthony, tell them how you have 0 points. No offense, but I can't. You won last round. I'm winning this one. 7-0. you in the back when it hit you in the back when you were wait, Anthony, pause. When you were coming, I said pause. I freaking said pause. That's what you get. I said pause. Tell them how I said pause. Dude.
She said.
It hit you in the back when you were coming towards me. Hey, the pause is over, my friend. The pause. Frick! No, you're going down. It's 9. Like you're not screaming most of the time, my friend. Like you're not screaming half of the time. It's all you only have 3. You're not gonna win this. Trust me.
I probably won't. How?
You're beat. Don't smack me.
Wait, who's this person?
Know what? It's brush versus brush now. It's brush versus.
Wait, who is this?
Can you give me that
who's
brush?
this?
I forgot to. I can't favorite. Remember, it didn't let me favorite it earlier. Come on. Give me.
Who's this guy?
I don't know, but give me your skinny.
He's not my friend.
No, whatever. Come on, let's just start the round. Come on, I want to verse you again.
I don't want to anymore.
Why not? You're losing too much or too easily. Is it because the game's glitching, even though I can clearly see it hitting you? Anthony!
Nice.
I'm the best Captain America there is around. No, I know a tactic.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. He said I'm not the best Captain America around. Then who's better? You? Doubt. I feel like I'm bullying him. I'm sorry, Anthony. Peace treaty.
And what's wrong with your brain?
What'd you say about my brain?
No, it's this guy because he said you suck. And he said what?
Oh, this
wrong
guy's
with this man?
trashing
And
us. He
what's
said
wrong
we
with your
suck. No, Anthony, attack him. Attack him. Attack him. We're attacking you, sir. You hit me.
brain? Did I? I meant to hit him. I probably
Peace.
bounced back.
No. Peace. No. Peace. No. Peace. Ow. Wall hurt my fingies. Well, you guys saw that. That bounced off your feet. Sir, something bounced off your feet and it shouldn't have bounced off. It should have killed you. Oh, that went right past me. Okay, now he's winning. Oh, I'm winning. Actually, no, I'm winning.
Yeah, you're still winning.
Yep, nah, this isn't happening.
Tozy.
I'm the Captain America of this town. And I can prove it by killing you again. How? Why? That bounced off the wall. Come on, disc. Disc of truth. Freakity frackado! Freakity frackity freakity frackity freakity fracky frack. Let's go. You literally glitched through my shield. You glitched! Let me copy your skin. Wait, let me copy your skin so it's brush versus brush. Let me copy your skin.
We're in the middle of a battle.
No! Okay, you mother freaking. Say hello to your deathbed. Cause I'm not going easy no more. You know who doesn't have toesies? Oh. You know what? I accidentally respawned instead of going in seated mode. I meant to go in seated mode. I'm sorry. No, I didn't cheat. I promise you it was an accident. I actually promise you that was an accident.
Okay, clap it.
I legit hit this thing off my fan. Uh-oh, it's getting wild in my house. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh wait, I don't know if that song is copyright, so I can't. Come on! Go on, blue team! You thrashed me. Let's just say you win that round, because you had more points.
Yeah. Gotcha!
I know you did. My goal isn't really to hit you as much as in the front, but the side is where I'm more interested in. Oh! Frick! I wanted to do a spinny move! I'm shooting you to death. No.
Wait, how?
I don't know. I don't know. Power's very low, but that's a price to pay. Wait, pause. I have to plug in my Oculus. Tell them that I have to plug in my Oculus. Okay? Pause.
Okay,
Pause.
He has to go plug in his Oculus, so I'm just gonna win.
Wow, you guys don't know it, but he said he has to plug in his Oculus, so I'm just gonna win. Wow, you little cheater. You freaking... He's a cheater, aren't you, bud?
No.
Yes, you are! You freaking cheater!
No.
I'm gonna plug it in next round. Oh, I got your toes, but it did nothing! That glitched! Glitcher! Please spare me. I was plugging in my Oculus, dude! I was plugging in my Oculus. I don't care. You're dead, haha. That's what you get. You were fixing your Oculus, but I don't care. I don't give a frick. You're bullying me.
Are you just on side now?
Frick, you're such a glitcher! I'm done with you right now. You're such a cheater, though. You actually killed me when I was...
Cheater.
You heard me! I accidentally let me plug it in and no, but then you freaking... You said, okay, guys, I'm just gonna win just because... You have to tell them what's happening in the conversation.
We're arguing because he had to plug in his
I got more! Fight.
No!
Yes! I'm catching up on the leaderboard, my friend. And throw my disc. Frick!
Gotcha.
This guy's making me freaking salty as hell. Cause he's going down to the ground. in the ground. This is... And... No! Yes! Just like that, your lead is evaporated. Evaporated. Your lead is evaporated. One more point! No! Frick! 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 Frick!
I got you in the little tummy.
Leaderboards!
I got you in the tummy.
I'm gonna fight you! Frick! What the hell?
Yes, just one more, come on.
Wh-
Leave.
Yes! 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 I win! I win! I win! That was so stressful!
See ya. See ya. See ya.
No, no, look at me! Hey, look, hey! Hey! Yeah! Hey, wait, hey! Hey, guys, look, great! Anthony was at the end of the video! This freaking salty little boy. We have to end the video. Well, guys, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, consider subscribing to both of our channels. What's your channel again?
Wait.
Anthony VR?
Anthony VR. Yeah.
Anthony VR and Clever Kikimo. Huh?
I thought we were gonna play other games.
Guys, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, consider subscribing. Bye, guys!